Hi, my name is Nurul Shafiqa. Today I will be showing how I create and populate data for my CA1 Part 2. To start with, I have two databases called Olive Data and the other one is called Data Warehouse. For Olive Data have total 8 tables consist of customer, employees, office, order details, order, payment, product line and products. And for Data Warehouse, I have customer, employees, office, product, time and before you create tables, firstly you need have the eight tables for the data olive database. As you can see, I have already done everything and I have executed everything also. So you can see that there are total 8 database table over here. For example, for a table, you will need to create a primary key for the table. Like employee, you have an employee number as a primary key, and you need to include it inside the tables also. And eventually, if some like office code, you have foreign key references by office, you need to include that into like this. And you need to create the null and not null. You need to include a not null and null too, so that when you have a null there will be a null value inside that specific attributes. Example, here are all the tables for the employee, officers, order details, orders, product lines and offices. For example, for some like product table and customer table, they are populated to a different file, different format. So now I will show you the total result after I have create and populate the data. So I will show first is the product line. Sorry, this one master. So on the only you can see the total, there are 7 product lines inside here. And you can check the officers. You have total 7. The employees, the payment, and the order details, and also the and also orders. As you know, products are popular in different ways. So after you create the product, right, you need to go to your HD docs over here and click explore, and you will go link to your HD docs and your BICA1, which I label it as that, and need to go your ETL product, or you have name it a different way, it's up to you. So you need to change your server name to your local server name, your SQL server name, and your database name, and your JSON format, and the JSON object for the value inside, or what do I mean is by the attributes. So here are the array that you need to include it also. Afterwards, you have to go to your web browser from here. So you just need to go you need to type it localhost / your where you put your ETL products folder. So before actually you did that, right, you need to go to your ASMP and start your Apache. If you don't study, right, I mean the risk it won't run, since because you put it in under your HD docs. So let's try. it says product already exists in product is already exists and duplication is not allowed. It's because I have done it before, so that's why there's error in there. So let's check if I've already included it or not. So let's go to select star from product and execute it. As you can see, here are the products details, or should I say data. Okay, now next. And for customer, right, it also is a different format like products, but customer you need to take it from the Excel file, which is over here. Here this Excel file contain every customer that bought the stuff and which country and what so on. So from the SQL plus, you need to create and bulk insert customer over here. Yeah, you need to create it and you need to find where do you place the destination from the file. Since I located the Excel file over here, so I just need to name which path did I place in. So since I already created so I will just show you the after details of it after execute the populate data. So here it goes. Select star customer. So here it goes. Here are the numbers of customer that we have. For the early data, for the data warehouse data, you can see I have one customer, employees, office, products, time, and sales fact. So here are the the table that I have created. For the first, I did an execution for all the tables, and lastly, then I will did the author. So my sales fair table, this is my sales fair attributes. But as you can see, there's no order date in my old lead table, so I need to replace or to convert the value as follows. Yeah, and you need to get like the primary key from the customer number, for the product code and my office and etc. And from there you need to get the inner join from the respective table that you have linked to, in order to check whether if I have is successful. I need to check from here. Lastly, to check whether is my inner join is being is correctly executed. So here I will check it on over here. Here you can see it's Euro shopping channel will be the first sales according to 9122.94.11 cents, and the following. So the olive data, right, olive and olive data is different, as olive data is categorized by a large number of short online transaction. The main emphasis of olive system is put on very fast query processing, maintaining data integrity in multi-access environment. For the olive is categorized by relatively by in low volume transaction. Queries are often very complex and involve aggregation, and is mainly used for a star schema. And for the purpose of the data, right, Olive is more to control and run fundamental business tasks, while OLAP is to help with planning, problem solving, and decision support. And for the queries instead, relatively, they use simple queries to return the few records, while the Olive is often used a complex query to involve aggregation. Now I have ended my showing of how to query and populate data for my CA1 part 2.